just 6 points. 10 points higher for the Nifty. The market breadth is looking charged up, but this is changing on a daily basis. So I will not use market breadth as a benchmark to understand where markets are headed. Bank Nifty also just not going anywhere. You've not seen such flat starts for a long time, and I think this entire year, a couple of trading sessions, the market has just refused to budge on any side. Small cap index, okay. Mid cap index, okay. Infosys, a rub of green, and for HCL Tech, a shade of red. There you go. I mean, Infosys just no gains. HCL Tech just no recognition of a earnings beat. Shriram Transport Finance absolutely flat. There you go. HCL Tech, TCS, Wipro, Shriram Transport Finance, Infosys. Those are some of the newsmakers. And I want to look at DVs and Gland because the data is out. These stocks had fallen in the mid-afternoon trade. But is this some kind of a precursor that this is going to be another poor quarter for both of them? Looks like it is. Gland and DVs after yesterday's fall are refusing to bounce back.
Okay, PVR, let's check in on that. Considering the PVR Inox merger has finally been approved by NCLT Mumbai, although the stock was a big buzzer yesterday itself, was riding high by almost 3% on the futures. RVL, another order coming in worth about 38 odd crore rupees. There is, of course, Anand Rathi Wealth as well, wherein the revenue has come in higher by nearly about 1.5%, and the EBITDA has seen a 2.25% jump on a year-on-year basis. There's Lupin and Cipla as well, wherein the US government has released more than 52,000 courses of Tamiflu generic from the national stockpile. L&T Technologies, we told you that it's going to be acquiring Smart Safe Communication business of L&T for an all-cash deal of 800 crore rupees. So that's another stock which is in focus. And then, of course, Paytm. Yesterday, news flow came in that Alibaba was the one which was selling almost that 3% equity in Alibaba. So, in Paytm, I beg your pardon. So, Paytm is still a little bit soft. And yes, not just Paytm, the other big loser yesterday was Nykaa too after that block deal. So look out for what that stock as well does in trade. Still a little somber as we speak. Shriram Finance, what's that up to? PE fund Apex Partners is looking to sell about 5.5% stake nearly in the company via block. This is what sources indicated to us. I'm not quite sure whether the block has already happened. 1.5% lower for Shriram Finance. Yes, it has. 2% equity has changed hands. We should perhaps get in Pankaj to get in more details on this because it was touted to be Apex Partners, which was supposed to be the seller. Besides that, let's just check in on what some of the other popular trades from yesterday are up to, and it's really becoming a concentrated L&T story. That was the trade yesterday as well, while on the other hand, you had Reliance as the big drag. L&T is down about 0.6% today, and Reliance falls further. It's now testing that 2450 level in trade. So big drag really Reliance is turning out to be. For the index per se, that super support canal, at least of 17,800, so far is holding up, getting a little slippery though.
Yeah, I think